लेकिन तो अभी रिसेंट अपडेट ये है कि अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हियरिंग चालू है, ठीक है। वो बोल रहे हैं कि इसको रिजर्व कर दिया गया है ऑर्डर को, तो अभी मिस्टर कपिल सिब्बल और बाकी सब लोग आर्ग्यूमेंट्स कर रहे हैं, तो होपफुली ये रिवर्स हो जाएगा। अभी तक हमारे पास कोई ऑफिशियल ऑर्डर नहीं आया है, लेकिन गुड न्यूज इज ऑन द वे। सो हम यहाँ पे इकट्ठा हुए थे क्योंकि हम इस चीज के अगेंस्ट करना चाहते थे कि ये जो चीज हो रही है सही नहीं है, लेकिन जैसे ये ऑर्डर हमारे पास तुरंत आ जाएगा तो ये हमारे लिए एक सेलिब्रेशन का मौका मिल जाएगा। तो हमारा आना यहाँ पे वेस्ट नहीं है, हम यहाँ पे कॉज के लिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं। हाँ एग्जैक्टली, तो हमारे लिए एक सेलिब्रेशन का मौका रहेगा। तो जैसे फर्दर अपडेट्स होंगे मैं आपको इन्फॉर्म करूंगा।
Thank you so much.
So guys, so that's the whole
positive.
absolutely. So that is the whole idea of today's gathering, right? कि absolutely. That is the whole cause today, right? So that we can try and promote positivity instead of negativity and provide a solution. So अभी हमारे पास in hand solution है drafted. We have the mass awareness campaign. इसमें अगर आप देखोगे तो we've made all titles where we have prevention of dog bites, guidelines for dog lovers, guidelines for non-dog lovers, guidelines for societies to set healthy boundaries, special training for guards. We've done first guard training in Thane, but unfortunately वो platform नहीं मिल पा रहा, right? तो वो सारी चीजें दिए, desensitization of dogs who become aggressive, right? क्रिएटिंग कोएग्जिस्टेंस हार्मनी एंड देन व्हाट टू डू इफ डॉग बाइट्स। तो ये सारे गाइडलाइंस हमने लिखे एक 100 पेज गाइड में, एंड वी जस्ट होप कि ये जो नेगेटिविटी यहाँ फैली है, द फियर मॉन्गरिंग, कंफ्यूजन, इफ वी कैन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू कॉशन एंड कोऑपरेशन, देन दिस होल एंटायर सिचुएशन कैन टर्न इनटू समथिंग पॉजिटिव एंड फाइनली समथिंग गुड कैन कम आउट ऑफ इट। तो वही हमारा that is the whole idea. If we can push forward this with authorities, with the people in power, and we are ready, we are here standing making the proposal. हम ये ऑफिशियली भी ड्राफ्ट भेजेंगे सबको ऑफिशियली, राइट? वी जस्ट नीड योर सपोर्ट कि अगर ये हम उन तक पहुंचाते हैं तो ये हम इंप्लीमेंट करें, क्योंकि वी आर रेडी टू इवन ट्रेन पीपल, वी आर रेडी टू क्रिएट स्ट्रेटजीज, वी आर रेडी टू डू ऑल दिस कीपिंग आवर वर्क असाइड, एंड अगर इंप्लीमेंटेशन का जरूरत पड़ता है तो हम लोग आएंगे रास्ते पे और करेंगे, राइट? But we just need everyone's support and we can create a sustainable, practical solution, three-pronged approach: mass awareness, mass sterilization, and mass vaccination. This is the only way. Awareness being the priority. So let's aim for it.
Can I suggest something?
Yes.
I think a lot of people here are obviously animal lovers and everybody is on social media. So if we can have one message and just small captions, maybe we can all follow you and then share it, and then we can make a group thing, because I think that's what brought us here.
Definitely.
I also have a suggestion. Since everybody who's gathered here braving the rains and still come here for the protest, I think everybody over here is really passionate. So you should probably make a dossier of everybody's contact information whenever you need the support and you want to, get people to do something. they should be available. So you should make a dossier of everybody's information over here.
Correct.
Great
Definitely.
idea.
Definitely.
Probably you can share your number, just say it out. We'll all take a note of it and we start connecting you, because for you, approaching each one of us might be difficult. But you give us a number, we contact you and we connect you.
Yeah, I think we started directly.
My name is Sushank Tomar.
Yes.
I run a foundation, Citizens for Animal Protection Foundation. I'm also Animal Welfare Officer in the state government.
So my name is Akash Shukla and I'm a dog behaviorist and a human trainer. And we have a content creator.
कहाँ चले हैं?
a dog
पीछे
behavior.
पीछे
And we try to promote
क्या
awareness through all this, and we made this draft. We've written this guide, and our aim has always been how we can protect these Indies, but at the same time maintaining public safety, because that is also what most important.
Exactly.
The fight is always left and right. आते हैं ना center में और साथ मिलके काम करते हैं.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Exactly. It's time we all put our heads together. The authorities, the feeders, the NGOs, the pet parents, the dog lovers. Okay, by the way, I'm Sumit Raghavan. I'm an actor and I'm a dog lover and a pet parent. I have rescued strays in my house as well as cats. And I also take care of quite a few strays where I shoot in Mira Road. So that's about it. And we got in touch over Insta. And that's how I came to know about this. And after the Supreme Court's suo moto order, I thought that it's imperative that I also join this and, make our strong
Can I
stand.
suggest something? Can I suggest something? Okay. We represent PODOP, where we help animals get adopted. So just so that everybody has some reference, we can all message DM message PODOP.in, right? Just message from wherever you are so that we can create a group of all of us. PODOP.in, it's orange in color. Okay, wherever it is, we already have our ambulance there. Okay, we've just gotten an ambulance where we are trying to run it. Okay, no profit, no loss. So that we can help animals.
So let's do one thing.
Yeah.
Let's do one thing. We can share one number. And we can ask everyone to send a WhatsApp message on that number, and we can create a group from there.
Yes, yes.
That would be much better.
Yes.
Nikita, would you like to add?
For tomorrow's Azad Maidan gathering, I mean, if we can all still, despite this order going, still show up that tomorrow, show up in large numbers, are still going to make a difference. Let's not celebrate just
सब लोग थोड़ा पीछे पीछे हो जाइए ना कोई
it hasn't been reversed yet.
It hasn't been.
Something they might come.
And even if it is reversed, right, it's just going to be the same old story tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yes, so we need to work towards
Handle, will you send the link on?
about.
Instagram handle, will you send the link on? Yeah.
थोड़ा थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए सब लोग
Yeah, just
We'll announce it.
हेल्पलाइन मेरा किसका ठीक है मैं आपको देता हूँ It's 9757
take down the number, please.
Everyone take down the number.
just drop a
Guys,
text
take note of this
Connect with
number,
you all.
please.
9757 439
Sorry, 9757
439 100. My name is Sushant. Sushant.
Guys, is everyone coming tomorrow to Azad Maidan?
Yeah.
This is the number, guys.
133.
ठीक है सही से
Guys, please note down the number
Got it.
Probably move that side and show them.
Guys, Nikita, guys, can I have your attention? So we have Nikita also, and she also wants to speak a few things. So Nikita, introduce करके आप आपके points.
Hi, I'm Nikita Ghak, BJP State Vice President. And I'm running an animal NGO since 10 years by the name Dawa India. So मैं मानती हूँ कि अगर मैं पावर में हूँ, सिस्टम में हूँ, तो उसका किसी गुड कॉज के लिए I'll be able to work. That's how I connected with Akash, and Akash ने जो solutions दिए हैं, हम कोशिश करेंगे.
Guys, please pay attention.
आकाश ने जो सॉल्यूशंस दिए, हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि ये सॉल्यूशंस हम हायर अथॉरिटीज तक पहुंचा पाए, क्योंकि आफ्टर दिल्ली इवन राजस्थान कोर्ट हैज डिसाइडेड टू डू द सेम, इवन गोवा. सो महाराष्ट्र में ये ना हो एंड इसका असर दिल्ली में भी हो, दिल्ली एनसीआर पे भी हो, और रिवर्सल में ये डिसीजन जो रिवर्सल में काम आए. सो आई विल मेक श्योर कि हम हमारे सॉल्यूशंस, बिकॉज सवाल उठाने के लिए तो बहुत लोग हैं, बट सॉल्यूशंस देने के लिए हमें खड़ा रहना है, बिकॉज इन दी है हमें सॉल्यूशंस पे वर्क करना है. सो ये सॉल्यूशन और ये सारे जो ट्रीटमेंट्स और अकॉर्डिंग टू द एबीसी जो भी कुछ सारे सॉल्यूशंस हैं, I'll make sure कि मैं higher authorities तक वो पहुंचाऊं.
We have a lot of dogs in our area who are sterilized, vaccinated, and we take care of them like our own. I'm very worried about their protection because to pick up करना आएंगे, they don't care, you know, कि वो sterilized है, vaccinated है. So what do we do? Like what is the solution?
पहली बात तो जो प्राइवेट वैन्स आती है गवर्नमेंट की बंद कर, आपके डॉग्स को हाथ लगाने दीजिएगा नहीं, क्योंकि अगर वो वैन गवर्नमेंट की है तो उनके पास एक डॉक्टर और एक इंस्पेक्टर होना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर वो नहीं है तो डॉग्स नहीं उठा सकते वो, और आप से पब्लिक में बहुत पावर है, आप रोक लीजिएगा, कुछ नहीं कोई कर पाएगा. एंड यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी एनी टाइम. यस,
ये लो.
Go home, yeah. Joggers part lo hoga.
It's 85913.
What number is this?
85913. 52359.
ह्याच्यात पण कंट्रोल साठी
Nikita.
and take the appointment. People will
Quite a turnover. Quite a turnover. Yeah. What is one?
Okay, everyone, I have a suggestion. People have been randomly picking up dogs in Chandigarh and other parts of India, even if the decision was only for Delhi and surrounding areas. My suggestion would be to save dogs of your locality. You can put collars with the pin code of your area and numbering your dogs. In my locality, there are total 17 dogs. So what we have been doing is buying collars, putting the pin code, which is 18, and then numbering all the dogs, so that tomorrow if a dog is picked up, we know which dog is missing and how many dogs are missing. Otherwise, there's no way we know how many dogs have been picked up.
In Delhi, they're having a problem finding.
I know, but in Bombay, that is why I'm saying locality. Pick your locality and you will know how many dogs you have. Like in my locality, there is a dog protection group. We have identified 17 dogs, and from tomorrow we are collaring them with pin code and number.
But Bombay doesn't have a problem.
It doesn't yet, but
has said letter very soon.
Also BJP government, so don't take anything lightly. While we have a representative from BJP, I'm not going to miss the words. If it's a BJP government, do not take anything lightly. Start numbering your dogs. Otherwise, there's no way we will know. That means we will know if a dog is missing and we can track it when there's no area.
Okay. And to build shelters of it. I can send that.
Please send me that on WhatsApp.
And that's coming in the newspaper as well.
Yes.
It's coming in
Talk to all of us.
We need to make a proper presentation of this.
I have everything. सब है. सब करके रख.
So Sukrang and I've been working on this for quite some time. The presentation भी ready है, इसका draft भी ready है, ये publishing में भी चलेगा.
Shant and me will go for the post.
Can I say something here? Right now we're doing bouncing about it. It is backflipping against defense. What we really need to do is make sure this doesn't happen. Ask the government to do just sterilization, vaccination is great, but that's not enough. We need to get this legislation to such a level that every society has compulsory to assign a place for feeding. The dogs are in peace. If they eat in peace, see any animal. I work with cats and dogs. Any animal is only aggressive because of excessive, mating, territory, or food. These are the three reasons they fight. If you give them food, if they're sterilized, they don't fight for mating. Right? So what is the reason for them to fight? They have food. Mating is not happening, and they have their own territory. There is no fight. There is no aggression. So the societies somehow you register the societies are either give them 5 stars to the society where they're human society where they're allowing the dogs. I'm not saying take excessive dogs, but your dogs, your community dogs, assign a space. You don't want in the compound, make it outside the compound, put a shed in the rainy season so we can feed them. Here the feeders should be more proactive and say that this is what we need. Give this to us so the dogs are not a nuisance.
Something like that.
That is
suggestion
that is the
in this case, as per the ABC rules 2020, it is mandatory for the RWAs to give a feeding spot.
But it's not happening. Nobody's also bothered about it.
It is not been implemented. I totally agree. Yes.
Okay,
It is not been implemented. What as a citizen you can do? You can write to the district SPs in the local municipal corporation. You can CC to us. So we on your behalf will pressurize them and make sure that it is implemented in every society. This is something which we are doing since a very long time. And this has happened.
Let me complete your place. I live in an area which is not like a society, like the Downton area. Bilipalli East, like a village area. The Fatak. Padgaonkar also has spoken to her. I work with her, right? So now what has happened that they have poisoned cats up there. I have gone to the cops, I've done postmortem, I've done forensic, nothing turns up. And so basically people are encouraged to do this kind of thing, So unless this doesn't come to a level where not only feeders are to be not harassed, feeders should be supported. So that the animals are then safe.
So what we
Today,
can do
people are hungry. People are hungry today. People have to fight for their food, or fight for their mates, or fight to live in peace and shelter. Then people are going to get aggressive. So why are we just letting the animals here?
They'll enter your house.
Exactly. People stay because
So one help we need from your side is, like Akash has given up the solutions, given us the solutions. We'll make a proposal. I'll take it to CM. And we need all your signatures, maximum signatures.
See, that is the point. Where does the issue lie? Does it lie with all the dogs, or does it lie with dogs who bite? And it's with kids, it's senior citizens. Sometimes it's not even biting, it's chasing, but it is dramatically shown out there, right? If we target, those are the two targets here importantly, is RWAs, which is society, and the second, which has already been given in ABC rules, right? And second is schools. Because we've done sessions in schools and we've got positive feedback कि बच्चों को पता है क्या करना है.
In Bangalore also, they started feeding in outside school, the students are being taught.
And it's not just about feeding, but it's important because see, everyone, it is my own personal belief that everyone's not a dog lover. And I don't want, so a lot of times when we approach the schools, right, the thought that schools had कि हम लोग आके बच्चों को dog lover बनाएंगे. उनको बोलेंगे जाओ आप petting करो, आप खाना खिलाओ. That's not the idea. The idea is bite prevention. That's how we have been, treat them properly and bite prevention because that's the language they understand at the moment. So we want to put it in front that no matter which side you come from or whatever the sides are, we don't want to play that. What we want is the child's safety. That's when schools were like, okay, then it makes sense. Let us invite you. And then we started getting the positive feedback. So if we can push, Nikita, if we can push this point also, in all the schools, at least state-run schools as a start, as a project, they make it a mandate that they should host awareness campaigns, or if not awareness campaigns, maybe a quarterly session with kids. We can train their teachers and they can basically go and do it. It's nothing major, right?
Yeah.
And they just run it like guidelines, with kids and some drills with kids, right? Because it goes long way. What we've learned as at 7 years of age, we still remember. So this is the time we can make or break, and that's the future.
Because the kids are in the molding stage.
Exactly. They are the most susceptible to bites.
We also need to work on the animal cruelty laws. There are actually no laws. You can go hit and run any number of dogs and nothing is going to happen to you. 50 rupees is all it takes. I can today go and kill 10 dogs. I just need $500 for it. You know, so those laws have to be made middle of the road apparently.
We have also now, we have got Kian's International School in Vapi. It's an IB level international school in Vapi that has adopted 4 dogs from us. For the same point to do this is to make children understand coexistence. If you go towards Vapi, Danu, Daman, there are already awareness programs in place, not only for private schools but also for government schools. This is something that people in Vapi and stuff can do. Why can't we do it here?
Such examples have to be made more advertised and public. And I would say now that Navratri, Ganpati, every society is going to have their, what do you say, those social programs, people are going to gather. I think we should take this platform to educate and say, hum log ka 15 minutes ka dog session or whatever education about that. At least they should be aware. It is not something to be. Akash, how will we get signatures from all of them? Because everyone has come from different references.
So signatures as in something written, or we'll just take them. So we can draft it right away. Probably
Online we can do?
Online we can do.
Like a petition.
Online we can do, and we can make them.
I think for your people, a little para
An online form,
Yeah, we can make them.
take signatures right now, put a little para of 3 lines and then get everybody's signature below that. That would go
We can do that right away. I can get the whole paper done right away, and we can pass it on. Everyone can sign it.
that will be sent to somebody
But
who's already standing in Supreme Court by email or something. This is the thing. And may I make a suggestion? See, we can suggest to the government and the municipality that they should make it mandatory for every plot or premises, whether residential, commercial, institutional, education, to compulsorily adopt 2 street dogs. So when you adopt 2 street dogs, you're actually getting the animals off the streets, right? You are also providing security for your premises, because today, if I can walk down the street on Hill Road at 2 o'clock in the morning, I know I can do that because there are dogs there. Of course, on Hill Road, we have 50 dogs now because we have intervened and sterilized. There are only about 2 or 3. So I kind of miss them in a certain way. But this can be done. Make it compulsory that every premises adopts 2 dogs. We get them off the street. Once they're off the street, sterilized and vaccinated, there's no question of any attacks, tracing of cars and anything, government doesn't want to be proactive. You want to be reactive. And even this thing about the child being bitten, Maneka Gandhi ji has said that she actually died of meningitis. So the government and the courts must come down heavily now on the reporter and the newspaper that published this and created this frenzy, this unnecessary frenzy and this knee-jerk reaction from the judges. We don't expect these kind of judges generally don't come out of Supreme Court. So that this has happened, it's a knee-jerk reaction. You show a child dies of rabies, anyone will be scared. Another thing is, how many people are dying from cirrhosis of the liver? How many people are dying from accidents? How many children are being abused?
Just an excuse to take away all the dogs. First of all, even BMC, they have so much money. How many dogs do they actually sterilize or vaccinate? We do it with our own money. We feed them with our own money. When they get ill, we feed them. BMC does what? I don't know. They only take the dogs and send them back ill.
So one thing, the reason why now in current times more and more cats and dogs are coming in the street and feeling relocated is because so much of construction is happening. So much of redevelopment. So many buildings have come up. My area is flooded with animals that belong there. There's going to be fighting because of that. There's going to be fighting because of that. There's going to be I am overwhelmed with the number of I neutered my entire area, now I have to neuter more. So the feeder gets really, really tired of doing this whole process.
Plus, it puts a financial strain on you.
I am in debt, and still doing so like this. Somebody has to talk to builders. Somebody has to talk to the builder lobby here that if you are going to do redevelopment of the people in the building, you have to find a way to keep a shelter for the animals of that building as well. You cannot throw them up to the next society or the next area. Where are they going to go?
See, every is developed. She has successfully done that open space. Quite comfortably on the open space. Then you develop that open space. And as
You can ask like my colony behind Ashok near the railway crossing. Ashok Kunj is
Exactly. 22 years of land. Even there they had problems. I had to fight for 5 years to retain them, you know, like.
So saying that these dogs are menace, no,
All of them are so friendly and they are so
exactly. But they are unfriendly. They go to new localities. No, it's not their fault.
Right away also, na, because one point I think you were going to say is अगर paper लेके sign करेंगे तो there's a
lot of rain and the paper would get, yeah.
ऑनलाइन बना देते हैं
हाँ, क्या कर सकते हैं ना, अब भी एक बना सकते हैं. And we can start. So you all have got the number, right?
I send a high order.
Yeah, so I think all of you all start sending the highs. We'll tell one of the volunteers to make the group ASAP. We will make a small proposal. It's something that we just have to type it. It will happen like in 5 minutes. And वो हम वो group पे immediately डाल देंगे. We will leave a lot of space over there. Just put your digital signatures over there.
Better.
ठीक है? If any one of y'all are not able to create a digital signature, draw it, like put it on a paper, take a photo and send it on the group with your name. So the team will get it done and put it on the paper, right? So then when it goes to the CM's office, I think it will make a better impact when it will have so many people.
Will this happen soon? Like in the next hour or so?
This thing? This would happen in the next 15 minutes. I think.
Okay, great. So
Okay?
then we can
Give me-
have this
give me-
apart from this, we'll send it to our other groups as well, so that we get majority of the signatures. So there are people over there as well. We need to inform them as well.
I don't know where the paper is.
Someone share the number to.
I share the number one more time.
He's just sharing.
Yeah, please. It's 9757 43 9100. Should I repeat again?
Yes.
It's 9757 43 9100. 100.
And give it to Max. If this number, please.
My number.
इसका नंबर
पहले वो जो
ग्रुप फॉर्म
so you are supposed to send hi for the on this number.
suggestion is already typed down. Should I send it? You can read it.
You can send it.
But first today, 2 years down the line, something like this might happen again, and it is like a same old story. Correct? So given that there is so much of outrage and there's so much of nationwide drama that has been created all through the media, how we can turn this negative news into something positive, that would really make a difference.
कोई सुने तो आने तो क्या अंदर वालों से सारा बंद है what is the place she said she also has a dog running for dog what is that yeah so I'm Nikita Bhatt, founder of Dawa India. It's an animal NGO which works for betterment of stray animals and wildlife since 10 years. And now I'm BJP Vice President, State Vice President. So वही मैंने वहाँ पे कहा था कि आकाश has come up with solutions. क्योंकि सिर्फ सवाल उठाने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला and सिर्फ प्रोटेस्ट करने से भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला. So he has come up with solutions. ये solutions को हम proposal में create करके it's my responsibility to take it to CM. And हम इस पर कुछ तो वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं. So now we gonna come up with a proposal, small proposal, because बाकी presentation तो it will take time. तो उस proposal पे we need all your signatures, digital signatures.
So see, all the solutions are already existing. There are rules, there are laws which are there. We just have to implement it. ये जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑर्डर आया है, इस ऑर्डर ने ऑब्वियसली बहुत सारा तकलीफ दिया और बहुत सारा काम बढ़ा दिया है, क्योंकि एक बहुत गलत प्रेसिडेंट सेट करेगा हमारे पूरे देश के लिए. अभी फिलहाल के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हियरिंग चल रहा था, वो हियरिंग खत्म हो गया है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसके ऊपर स्टे नहीं आया है और वो रिवर्स नहीं हुआ है. आज का ऑर्डर वहीं पे रिजर्व हो गया है, लेकिन इसका नेक्स्ट हियरिंग का डिटेल शायद हमको सून मिल जाएगा. तो अभी के लिए स्टे और रिवर्स नहीं हुआ है, तो हमें अभी सेलिब्रेट हम इतना जल्दी नहीं कर सकते. बट थिंग्स आर ऑलरेडी मूविंग ऑन द लीगल फ्रंट. solutions are already there. हम लोगों को vaccinate करना है, हम लोगों को sterilize करना है और हम लोगों को mass awareness करनी है. And we have to target all kind of audience. Either they are dog lovers, either they don't like dogs, children, security guards, old people. We are not against anyone. We just want to make this world more compassionate for the animals around us. So this is why we are here. Correct?
Also tomorrow there's Azad Maidan, so please all of y'all, let's just go there. Well, peaceful.
Question with the Supreme Court that they are saying that they are taking the decision against the dogs. Then what are the laws which they have made? That law does not exist then.
उसको बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
Supreme Court खुद ही सोचना है कि क्या
मेरे
कर रहे हैं.
बच्चे It's a heartless decision.
Yes.
मैम सब सोच.
Whatever laws they have
अच्छा
made, in favor of the
पोस्टर्स
animals.
है ना, सब कुछ को बुला लीजिए, नहीं फोटो चाहिए, हम लोग रुके.
Okay.
सर
आप आइए ना, इसलिए मैं बोल रही थी आप आगे आ जाइए पोस्टर्स के लिए प्लीज. चलो आप
आइए ना यहाँ पे. Excuse me. थोड़ा आगे. या कम छाता थोड़ा ऊपर कर दो यार. अरे नहीं आप ले लो, छाता रखो. नहीं आपके छाते में नहीं पाऊंगा, मेरे छाते ही नहीं है, इसलिए मैं हला. उसका 2% दादा थोड़ा सा पार्टी है दादा, थोड़ा सा पार्टी.
थोड़ा पीछे हो क्या? पीछे आ फुल नहीं मिल रहा है इसलिए आयो.
Because we have taken position to save our animals. Let's go for the dogs, for the animals.
Let's coexist. That's it.
Yeah,
The mantra should be coexist.
खुद के कानून है जो प्रिवेंशन ऑफ क्रूरटी एक्ट है, वो तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता. वो तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है. तो क्या कर रही है ये गवर्नमेंट, क्या कर रही है सुप्रीम कोर्ट? मतलब उनको एक बहुत सबके लिए सोचे. दिस लैंड, दिस यूनिवर्स इज नॉट ओनली बिलोंग्स टू ह्यूमंस, दिस इज आल्सो बिलोंग्स टू एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स, स्पीशीज. तो ये सोचना चाहिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं, किस जगह ले जा रहे हैं इस देश को.
Is this matter? Some medical reports are also being presented where the false they have to be
years. I feed 300 बिल्ली कुत्तों को मैं खिलाती हूँ. उनका स्टेरिलाइजेशन वैक्सीनेशन मैं योगा टीचर हूँ. मैं पैसों से कर रही हूँ क्योंकि डोनेशन आता नहीं है. और मैं बोल रही हूँ मुझे एक बार किसी ने नहीं काटा. उधर काटा है, दैट मीन्स आपने उसको कुछ किया होगा, छेड़ा होगा, इसीलिए उसने आपको किया. मैं 10 साल से खिला रही हूँ. एक बाइट मुझे दिखा दो या कुछ भी, कुछ नहीं होता है. आप कुछ करना
है. जिस बच्चे को काटा था, जिसका रिपोर्ट था, पहली बात तो वो फेक न्यूज थी. जिस न्यूज को रिएक्ट करके ये पूरा हुआ है, ये वो न्यूज फेक थी. दैट गर्ल डाइड ऑफ मेनिंजाइटिस. शी डिड नॉट डाई ऑफ रेबीज. एंड अगर आप कंपेयर करेंगे लोग हर साल रेबीज से मरते हैं, कितने लोगों का रेप होता है, कितने लोगों का मर्डर होता है, तो आप कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है. 0.01 people die of rabies.
डॉग्स के साथ रेप हो रहे हैं.
So this is an excuse. This is an excuse to clear the streets of Delhi and make it like a foreign country. We don't want that. This is India. This is not Paris. और पेरिस में भी जब ये हुआ था और कुत्तों को और बिल्लियों को टर्मिनेट किया गया था, चूहों की तादाद इतनी बढ़ गई थी that they had to import cats and dogs from outside. If anybody is aware of this. So you cannot
seeing placards in support of the dogs, and this is one of the statistics that the
this is the answer for your
data,
question.
this tells how many road accidents have caused the death, and if we compare the data given here, the dog bites are 21 and the road accidents we can see it's in numbers of
We also
lakhs,
have
and
numbers.
there
There's
are
another
various
number that I
accidents.
have. Yes. So basically, every year there is an annual allocation of funds for these activities, that is vaccination and neutering. जैसे मेरे पास सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस पॉइंट पे फोकस किया होता, अगर उनको ये चीज का नॉलेज होता कि ऑन ग्राउंड रियलिटी क्या है. आई पर्सनली वर्क विद एन एनिमल एनजीओ कैप फाउंडेशन. हम जब किसी एक डॉग को वैक्सीनेट कराते हैं तो कॉस्ट इज 45 रुपीज, ठीक है, और ये हमको पड़ता है. गवर्नमेंट को तो इससे और लो पड़ेगा. अगर न्यूटरिंग करना होता है इट कॉस्ट इज 1500 रुपीज, बट अगर गवर्नमेंट फैसिलिटीज में होगा इट विल बी इवन लोअर एंड फ्री में होता है.
फ्री में होता है
फंड एलोकेट हो रहा है तो ये जा कहाँ रहा.
और मैडम
वी डिमांड की व्हाट इज दिस कॉस्टिंग, इसका एक्सपेंडिचर कहाँ हो रहा है, दैट इज व्हाट वी डिमांड. बिकॉज अगर ये लोगों के पॉकेट में जा रहा है, देयर आर नो गवर्नमेंट ऑपरेटेड एनिमल शेल्टर्स इन दिल्ली, सो वेयर आर दे गोइंग टू टेक.
अगर सारे स्पेस को अगर एक अच्छी जगह पे रखा जा रहा है और अगर सरकार प्रॉमिस कर रही है कि उनको एक अच्छी केयर दी जाएगी, तो क्या उनके लिए ये फायदे नहीं है?
नमस्ते, मैं निकिता खाक, बीजेपी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, स्टेट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, सिनेमा सेल. मैं 10 साल से एक एनजीओ चला रही हूँ बाय द नेम दावा इंडिया. तो मैं जानती हूँ जो भी डिसीजन लिया गया था, जो स्टेटमेंट बाहर आया था, दैट इज टोटली इनजस्टिस टुवर्ड्स एनिमल्स, टुवर्ड्स डॉग्स. बट जैसे आकाश ने कहा, वी हैव द सॉल्यूशन नाउ. बिकॉज सिर्फ नारे लगाने से, सिर्फ मारामारी करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. वी हैव द सॉल्यूशन नाउ. जैसे आकाश ने सारे सॉल्यूशंस दिए, हम उसका प्रपोजल बनाएंगे. हम चाहते हैं कि पब्लिक हमें सपोर्ट करे. हम वो प्रपोजल सीएम तक पहुंचाना मेरा काम, वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मैं लेती हूँ.
तो किस तरह से यहाँ पे जो सिविक बॉडीज हैं उन्होंने भी इस मामले में सरकार के साथ और एनजीओ के साथ काम करना चाहिए?
ऑफ कोर्स जो एनजीओज है एंड नॉर्मल सिटीजन्स है, सिविलियंस है, इन्होंने मिलकर एंड जो भी हम सरकार से परमिशंस लाएंगे इसके आगे स्टेरिलाइजेशन को लेकर एंड कर्बिंग द अवेयरनेस एंड कर्बिंग द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ स्ट्रे डॉग्स, इस पे हमें सिटीजन्स का सपोर्ट चाहिए और सरकार से हर चीज बनवाने की जिम्मेदारी है.
आपका एक बोर्ड है जिसमें बताया जा रहा है कि कई तरह के गुने यहाँ पे.
सी डॉग्स अगर आप बोले, अगर सबको पता है कि जो डॉग्स रहते हैं वो ह्यूमंस बेस्ट फ्रेंड रहते हैं, हमेशा से ऐसे ही बोला जाता है, ऐसा में एहसास कराया जाता है और वैसा होता भी है. लेकिन इन्हीं एनिमल्स को जो बात नहीं कर सकते, उन एनिमल्स से ऐसा चीज़ें करना जहाँ पे उनको एक शेल्टर या एक टाउन में भेज दिया जाए, जहाँ पे कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, ऑपरेशंस का हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं है, जस्ट एक ऑर्डर निकाल के उनको बोल दो कि आप शेल्टर में डाल दो, तो बिल्कुल भी फेयर नहीं है स्ट्रे डॉग्स के लिए जो इतने सालों से रास्ते पे रह रहे हैं. और उनके लिए भी फेयर नहीं है जो लोग वहाँ पे उनका ध्यान रखते हैं, जिनको खाना खिलाते हैं, उनकी देखभाल करते हैं, वो उनके लिए भी फेयर